How to make stunning profile pictures that will attract people and ultimately turn into followers. You can make profile pictures for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and any other social media account. This method is absolutely free. And we will do it in just one click. Let's dive straight into it. First, visit legithacks.tech on your web browser. Now, scroll down and search for PFP Maker. Click on the first result. Here, scroll down. Do read this post for more details. And then, click on the button. This is where the magic happens, so watch properly now. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and channel. I'm on a mobile device, but it will work the same on PC and other devices. Here, click on the plus icon. Now, select a picture that you want to make a profile picture. I'll select this. And then click on choose. Okay, it is generating a profile picture. Here it is, we are almost done. You can see that we have a variety of beautiful profile pictures. It automatically removes your background and adds other beautiful backgrounds that may suit better with your picture. You can also tweak some of the settings here, edit a little bit, and make it even better. Let's click this and adjust my image a little. You can tweak the zoom and rotate controls to adjust the size to make it look stunning. There are lots of other settings and features that will make a perfect profile picture, but I'm happy with this. So to download the profile picture, just click on the download icon and it will be downloaded. That's it, start growing your social media followers with this simple trick.